Imagine this, a gleaming black Lexus gliding down the highway. Leather seats, chrome trim, the hum of a powerful engine vibrating gently under your fingertips. A vehicle that cost $130,000. An SUV that promised comfort, performance, and safety. You're driving with confidence, windows down, music playing softly, feeling untouchable. But then it happens. Your engine dies. Not a sputter, not a warning, a complete, terrifying stall. You're in the middle of traffic, powerless, and suddenly, the luxury you trusted feels like a trap. For owners of the Lexus LX 600, GX 550, and the Toyota Tundra, this nightmare became a reality. Over 126,000 vehicles were recalled because machining debris left in engines during manufacturing could cause them to stall. What was meant to be a status symbol became a ticking time bomb. 1. The promise of a $130,000 Lexus. When you spend six figures on a Lexus LX 600 or GX 550, you're buying more than metal. You're buying status, safety, and assurance. These vehicles are crafted for refinement, soft leather, advanced technology, and engines that roar with precision. Driving one feels like a statement. Success, ambition, and comfort, all rolled into one. The LX 600 and GX 550 are not just vehicles, they are experiences. Every ride is designed to impress. Every corner turned is meant to feel like effortless control. Owners imagine themselves on a family road trip, or pulling up to a gala, or cruising on a long highway, all in confidence. 2. The hidden danger. Machining debris. The problem lies in something as small as leftover metal fragments from manufacturing, known as machining debris. Normally, these fragments are cleaned before final assembly, but in these vehicles, some remained behind. Over time, they could prevent the engine from starting or even cause it to turn off while driving. Imagine driving on a busy freeway, perhaps in heavy traffic or a school zone, and suddenly your car loses all power. The steering feels heavier, the brakes demand more pressure, and panic sets in. For a luxury vehicle owner, this is a betrayal of trust. 3. The recall that shocked owners. In November 2025, Toyota announced a massive recall. 126,691 Tundra and Lexus models from recent years, including the LX 600, GX 550, and Tundra. Owners were informed that letters would be sent starting December 22nd, with additional notifications once a fix was ready. For many, this was a shock. A vehicle meant to be reliable and safe was suddenly dangerous, and the news came with a mix of disbelief and frustration. The recall numbers 25TB14, 25TA14 for Toyota, and 25LB07, 25LA07 for Lexus, were not just numbers. They were symbols of a massive engineering oversight that affected thousands. Reputation on reliability. 4. Real stories. Drivers caught off guard. For some Lexus owners, the first sign of trouble was subtle. The engine hesitated, a stutter in acceleration, or a strange noise. For others, the stall happened unexpectedly, leaving them stranded on highways or in dangerous situations. Imagine a mother driving her children to school, the engine cutting out in the middle of an intersection, or a business executive on the way to an important meeting, suddenly powerless on a busy freeway. The emotional impact of a $130,000 luxury SUV transforming into a potential hazard cannot be overstated. 5. The manufacturer's response. Toyota and Lexus responded quickly, promising free repairs and notifying affected owners. Dealerships were instructed to inspect vehicles and replace or repair engines as needed. While this action mitigated the immediate risk, it didn't erase the anxiety or frustration owners experienced. Trust, once shaken, is hard to rebuild. For luxury buyers, expectations are not just high, they are uncompromising. A brand that fails to uphold its promises risks losing credibility, and the emotional fallout is significant. 6. Financial and emotional fallout. The cost of repair may be free under recall, but the impact is far greater than dollars. Owners faced lost time, canceled trips, and anxiety every time they drove. Driving a luxury SUV suddenly became an act of risk management. Imagine constantly wondering if the engine will start, or if it will fail while merging into traffic. Luxury is replaced by doubt and confidence by fear. Resale value is also affected. Vehicles with recalled engines carry a shadow that can linger for years. This recall highlights a stark reality. Money cannot buy peace of mind when engineering errors threaten safety. The emotional and psychological toll often outweighs the financial aspects, leaving a lasting impression on owners. 7. Lessons for car buyers. This recall teaches a critical lesson. Price and brand do not guarantee perfection. Luxury does not always equal reliability. Buyers must dig deeper, check for recalls, and consider the unseen risks that may lurk beneath glossy advertisements. A Lexus may promise comfort, status, and safety, but owners must remain vigilant. Every vehicle, no matter how expensive, deserves scrutiny. 8. The human side of a mechanical problem. Behind every VIN number in the recall is a driver, a family, a life. Each engine stall could have been catastrophic. Parents, commuters, and professionals found themselves facing danger in the vehicle they trusted most. It's a reminder that cars aren't just machines. They carry people, dreams, and lives. 9. Moving forward, what owners should do. If you own a 2022 to 2024 Lexus LX 600, a 2024 GX 550, or a 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, check your vehicle immediately. Contact your dealer and schedule a service as soon as possible. Avoid driving if you notice unusual noises, stalling, or hesitation. Being proactive isn't just about protecting your investment. It's about protecting your life. The recall ensures repairs are free, but only owners taking action can ensure they remain safe on the road. This is also a moment for reflection. In a world where luxury is sold as perfection, vigilance becomes an unexpected necessity. 10. The bigger picture. Trust in the automotive industry. This recall is not just a Lexus and Toyota problem. It is a wake-up call for the entire automotive industry. Consumers buy more than vehicles. They buy promises of safety, reliability, and peace of mind. When these promises fail, even the most prestigious brands face scrutiny. The lesson is clear. Rigorous quality control and transparency are essential. Engineering excellence cannot be compromised for speed or cost-cutting. Every assembly line, every inspection, every bolt matters. Because when trust is broken, it impacts lives, not just reputation. 11. Stories from the road. Anxiety and survival. Consider the driver who stalled at the top of a hill with traffic behind them, or the commuter whose GX 550 died on a highway during rush hour. These scenarios are not hypothetical. They are real experiences shared by owners caught off guard. The emotional toll of these incidents is immense. A vehicle that once symbolized success and security suddenly becomes a source of stress. Owners must grapple with fear, frustration, and disappointment, learning that luxury cannot shield them from engineering errors. 12. Cautionary lessons. Status versus substance. The Lexus recall is a stark reminder that status does not guarantee safety. Price and marketing cannot replace meticulous engineering and quality assurance. Buyers must ask hard questions. What lies beneath the hood? Are all components checked rigorously? What happens if something goes wrong? Luxury may impress, but reliability sustains. The small, invisible errors, like machining debris, can have outsized consequences. In this case, the cost was not just mechanical, but emotional, challenging the faith owners placed in a premium brand. 13. The future. Restoring confidence for Toyota and Lexus. Restoring confidence is crucial. Comprehensive repairs, transparent communication, and stringent quality measures are essential. Only through accountability and action can trust be rebuilt. For owners, vigilance is equally important. Checking VINs, scheduling repairs promptly, and remaining informed ensures that a dangerous flaw does not escalate into a crisis. For the auto industry, the lesson is universal. Engineering excellence is not optional. It is a responsibility. 14. Luxury isn't enough. The story of the $130,000 Lexus turned into a $7,000 problem is a cautionary tale. What began as a symbol of status and safety became a source of risk and anxiety. Owners who invested heavily in comfort and performance were blindsided by a flaw they never saw coming. Luxury can impress, but safety, trust, and reliability must never be compromised. If you own a 2022 to 2024 Lexus LX 600, 2024 GX 550, or 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, check your VIN immediately. Schedule service and repairs as soon as possible. Avoid unnecessary driving until the problem is resolved. Share this video to alert other owners. Protect your investment, yes, but more importantly, protect your life. Because no badge, price tag, or luxury can replace vigilance. Safety comes first. Always.